Title: 11 Best Home Remedies Using Beetroot for Your Health. Assalamu alaikum everyone, my dear viewers. Today I am sharing with you some of the best home remedies using beetroot. This humble vegetable is packed with nutrients and offers amazing health benefits. Whether you're looking to boost your energy, improve your digestion, or cleanse your body, beetroot has you covered. Let's dive into these 11 effective remedies that will help you enjoy the incredible power of beetroot for your health and well-being. 1. Beetroot juice for blood pressure. Ingredients: 1. Fresh beetroot, 1 cup of water. Preparation: 1. Peel and chop the beetroot into small pieces. 2. Blend it with a cup of water until smooth. 3. Strain the juice using a fine sieve or cheesecloth. How to use: drink 1 glass of this fresh beetroot juice in the morning on an empty stomach daily for best results. It helps lower blood pressure by improving blood circulation. 2. Beetroot face mask for glowing skin. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of beetroot juice, 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Preparation: 1. Mix beetroot juice with yogurt in a small bowl. 2. Stir well until the mixture is smooth and consistent. How to use: apply this mask evenly on your face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Wash off with lukewarm water. Use 2 to 3 times a week, preferably in the evening, for glowing and clear skin. 3. Beetroot for liver detox. Ingredients: 1 medium-sized beetroot, 1 apple, 1 carrot. Preparation: 1. Chop the beetroot, apple, and carrot into small pieces. 2. Blend all the ingredients together with a little water to make a smooth detox smoothie. How to use: drink this detox smoothie early in the morning on an empty stomach for 7 to 10 days straight. This helps in flushing out toxins from the liver and revitalizes your body. 4. Beetroot for anemia. Ingredients: 1 medium-sized beetroot, 1 carrot, lemon. Preparation: 1. Peel and chop the beetroot and carrot. 2. Blend them together and squeeze in the juice of half a lemon for added vitamin C. How to use: consume this juice once a day, preferably before lunch, to boost iron levels and combat anemia. Regular consumption over time helps improve red blood cell production. 5. Beetroot for weight loss. Ingredients: 1 beetroot, 1 cucumber, lemon. Preparation: 1. Blend the beetroot and cucumber together until smooth. 2. Squeeze in fresh lemon juice and mix well. How to use: drink this refreshing juice in the afternoon or as a snack between meals. The high fiber content will keep you feeling full longer and aid in weight loss. 6. Beetroot for digestion. Ingredients: 1 medium beetroot, 1 tablespoon of ginger grated. Preparation: 1. Boil the beetroot until soft, then blend it with the grated ginger. 2. Strain and drink the juice. How to use: consume this juice after meals, especially after lunch, to promote healthy digestion and prevent constipation. 7. Beetroot to boost immunity. Ingredients: 1 beetroot, 1 orange, 1 carrot. Preparation: 1. Blend the beetroot, orange, and carrot together to make a nutrient-packed smoothie. 2. You can add a little honey for sweetness if desired. How to use: drink this immunity-boosting smoothie in the morning after breakfast to help protect your body from infections and illnesses. 8. Beetroot for joint pain. Ingredients: 1 beetroot, 1 tablespoon olive oil. Preparation: 1. Grate the beetroot and mix it with olive oil to make a paste. 2. Apply this paste to the affected joint areas. How to use: massage the mixture gently into the skin on painful joints and leave it on for about 30 minutes before rinsing it off. Use daily in the evening to reduce inflammation and joint pain. 9. Beetroot for better stamina. Ingredients: 1 beetroot, 1 apple, 1 banana. Preparation: 1. Blend the beetroot, apple, and banana into a smoothie. 2. Add a little water if needed to adjust the consistency. How to use: drink this stamina-boosting smoothie 30 minutes before exercise or any physical activity. It will enhance endurance and energy levels during workouts. 10. Beetroot hair mask for healthy hair. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons beetroot juice, 2 tablespoons olive oil. Preparation: 1. Mix beetroot juice with olive oil until well combined. 2. Apply the mixture to your scalp and hair. How to use. Massage the mixture gently into your scalp and hair. Leave it on for 30 to 40 minutes. Then wash it off with a mild shampoo. Apply this hair mask once a week to promote strong and shiny hair. 11. Beetroot for heart health. Ingredients. 1 beetroot. 1 tablespoon honey. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Preparation. 1. Blend the beetroot into a juice and add honey and lemon juice. Stir well. How to use. Drink this heart-healthy juice in the morning after breakfast daily. The nitrates in beetroot help lower cholesterol levels and prevent artery hardening, improving overall cardiovascular health. May Allah bless you with good health and a long, healthy life. My dear viewers, thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your family and friends so that others can also know about these great health benefits of beetroot. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel for new updates and health tips. Note, my dear viewers, while home remedies can be beneficial, it's always essential to consult with a healthcare professional before using them. Your health is your greatest wealth, and it deserves the best care. Until the next video, wassalamu alaikum.